Hey there, and welcome. So, you've got a new iPhone in your hands. That's fantastic. Now, it might look a little complicated at first, but don't you worry. Its main job is actually super simple. It's all about keeping you connected to the people you love. So, let's jump right in and see how we can do that step by step. Okay, so you open it up and see this screen full of icons. And yeah, it can feel a bit overwhelming. That is a totally normal reaction. But here's the good news. We're going to ignore almost all of that stuff. We're just going to focus on a few key things that'll turn this phone into your new best friend for staying in touch. Seriously, we're going to cut through all the noise and master the three things you really need: making a phone call, sending a text, and, my personal favorite, doing a video chat. I promise by the end of this, you're going to feel like a pro at all three. All right, first things first, let's make a phone call. I mean, it's a phone, right? And you'll see, it's just a few easy taps away. Okay, on your screen, look for the green square with a little white phone symbol inside. That's your phone app. It's kind of like the front door for all your calls. Once you spot it, just give it a little tap. Great. Now look down at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a few different buttons. We're looking for the one that says keypad. Go ahead and tap that. And voila, a number pad pops up. That should look pretty familiar, right? This part is easy. Just type in the phone number you want to call. And hey, no rush at all. If you make a mistake, which we all do, just look for the little button with an X in it to backspace and delete the last number. All right, once you've got the number punched in, you'll see a big green circle at the bottom. That's the button we want. Just tap it, and you're making the call. See? Super simple. So let's just run through that one more time. It's just 4 taps. Tap the green phone icon, tap keypad, type in the number, and tap that big green call button. That's it. You can totally do this. Now, when you're all done chatting, you'll see a big red button on the screen. Just tap that to hang up. And there you have it. You just made your first call. How cool is that? Well done. Okay, so you're a phone calling expert now. Let's move on to sending messages. This is awesome for sending a quick hello, or even more fun, for sharing photos with the people you love. So one quick thing you'll notice is that some messages are blue and some are green. What's the deal with that? Well, think of it this way. Blue means you're talking to another Apple device, like an iPhone, and it uses the internet. Green is a standard text message that can go to any kind of phone. It's just a little thing the phone does automatically, but it's handy to know. You know, they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and it is so true. Sharing photos is one of the best things about these phones. So before we send a message, let's quickly take a picture. All right, have a look at your screen and find the icon that looks like a little camera. That's the one we want. Give it a tap to open it up. Okay, now just point the camera at whatever you'd like to take a picture of. A flower, your pet, a grandchild. When it looks good on the screen, just tap that big white circle at the bottom. That's it. You just took a photo. Perfect. See how easy that was? Now you have a wonderful photo. Let's do the fun part and actually send it to someone. Okay, here's how we share it. First, find the Photos app. It's the one that looks like a colorful pinwheel or flower. Tap on that, then tap on the photo you just took to open it up. Now, look for a little button that's a square with an arrow pointing up out of it. That's the Share button. Tap that, choose the Messages app, type in who you want to send it to, and you're all set. All right, you've got calling down, you've got texting and photos down. Now let's talk about something that feels a little like magic: FaceTime. This is where you can actually see your loved ones face to face right on your phone screen. So what is FaceTime really? It's just a video call. All it means is that if your family or friends also have an iPhone or an iPad, you can call them and see them at the same time. Honestly, it's the next best thing to being right there with them. And guess what? Starting a FaceTime call is just as easy as a regular phone call. You just find the green FaceTime app and tap it. Then you tap the little blue plus sign up in the corner. From there, you just type in the name of the person you want to call, tap their name when it pops up, and you're good to go. Okay, before we wrap up, I've got one last little bonus tip for you. This one is super useful, and it's all about connecting to Wi-Fi to help save on your data. You'll see an icon on your phone that looks like a bunch of gray gears. That's your Settings app. Think of it as the control center for your whole phone. And we're just going to pop in there for one quick thing: connecting to your home Wi-Fi. So you tap on Settings, and then you'll see a line that says Wi-Fi. Tap on that. Your phone will show you a list of networks nearby. Just find the name of your home network and tap it.
And why is this so important? Because when you're connected to your home Wi-Fi, things like FaceTime and sending photos won't use up your cellular data, which can save you money. It's a great little trick. And that's it. You've learned how to make a call, how to send a photo, and how to video chat with FaceTime. You seriously now have the three most important keys to staying in touch with everyone you love.
So, I guess there's only one thing left to ask. Now that you're a pro, who's going to be the first person you call to show off your new skills?